everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make reverse half double crochet stitches. Make a slip knot, take tail of yarn, fix this yarn with thumb, insert your hook under this yarn, take this yarn and pull up yarn, tie yarn, take hook, take yarn, like this, yarn over, pull up yarn, make a chain, yarn over, pull up yarn, make a chain, and continue to chaining. I made 10 chains in here. Add 2 more chains. To start, make half double crochet. Skip 2 chains, 2 chains, yarn over, go to this chain, insert your hook into this chain, yarn over, pull up yarn. Now we have 1 2 3 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together, yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together, yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together, and make half double crochet stitches. Yarn over, go to last chain, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together, make 2 chains, turn it, yarn over, go to this hole. I show this hole. Take these 2 yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together, yarn over, make half double crochet, yarn over, yarn over, go to last stitch, take these yarns, 2 yarns, unhook and make 1 half double crochet. For make reverse half double crochet stitch, make 2 chains. I show on a piece of half double crochet stitch, yarn over, go to previous stitch, this hole, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together, yarn over, go to previous stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together, yarn over, go to previous stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, go to previous stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, go to previous stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, go to previous stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, 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 pull up yarn, pull through. This is reverse of half double crochet stitches.